What is the economic impact of illegal immigration? Have you ever wondered how illegal immigration affects our economy? This topic is often discussed, especially when considering immigration policy and the role of government in society. Let's break it down in a straightforward way. From a limited government perspective, the economic impact of illegal immigration raises important questions about fiscal responsibility. Many believe that undocumented immigrants contribute to the economy through their work and spending. However, there are concerns about the costs they impose on taxpayers. One of the main issues is taxpayer costs. Critics argue that illegal immigration can lead to a net fiscal drain. This means that government spending on services like education, healthcare, and law enforcement often exceeds the tax contributions from undocumented households. This situation can strain both state and federal budgets, diverting funds from programs that benefit citizens. Next, let's look at labor market effects. If we were to consider mass deportation, the economic consequences could be severe. Removing millions of workers would shrink the labor force, leading to reduced consumer spending. Industries that relying heavily on immigrant labor could face significant disruptions. On the other hand, some argue that this could create wage growth opportunities for low-skilled native workers by reducing competition in certain sectors. Now, let's talk about the overall economic impact. Studies suggest that deporting all undocumented immigrants could reduce the gross domestic product of the United States by 4.2% to 6.8%. This decline would be comparable to the economic downturn experienced during the Great Recession. Additionally, federal tax revenue losses could exceed $860 billion over a decade, worsening existing deficits. Practical considerations come into play when discussing limited government principles. These principles focus on minimizing taxpayer liabilities and ensuring that immigration policies align with economic self-sufficiency. Many proposals emphasize stricter enforcement, employer verification, and restructuring legal immigration to reduce unauthorized entry. It is also important to consider the balancing act involved. Undocumented immigrants contribute billions in taxes each year, yet they are often ineligible for federal benefits like Social Security. This creates a fiscal imbalance that needs addressing. Effective policies could either reduce illegal entry or redirect resources toward enforcement and legal workforce channels. In summary, the economic impact of illegal immigration is a complex issue. It involves weighing the contributions of undocumented workers against the fiscal pressures they create. This ongoing debate shapes conservative calls for immigration reform that prioritize taxpayers and uphold the rule of law.